Every year, thousands of families travel from small towns and villages to big cities, where free treatment may be available for children diagnosed with cancer. Most arrive with courage, but nowhere to stay. At St. Jude's, every family finds a safe, clean, and hygienic place to live. They have private rooms and shared kitchens where parents can prepare meals tailored to their child's dietary needs and preferences, and free transport to hospitals. At this home away from home, families heal with counseling and emotional support. Parents can build new skills, and children can still play, learn, and dream despite cancer. Because the fight to live begins with a place to live. For Pooja from Kolkata, hope began here many years ago.
जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तब मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि कैंसर क्या है। मैं मेरे मम्मी की आंखों में वो डर देखी थी जो मुझे लगा कि कैंसर से भी ज़्यादा खौफनाक था मेरे लिए। वो यहाँ के जो मैडम लोग हैं वो मुझे पढ़ाई करने में बहुत मदद किया था, क्योंकि मेरा पढ़ाई चल रहा था गाँव में, तो मेरा पढ़ाई एकदम नहीं छूटा था।
And years later, after beating cancer, Pooja came back, this time in a new role.
मैं वापस आई हूँ और एज अ सेंटर ऑफिसर बन के मैं अभी काम कर रही हूँ कोलकाता 2 सेंटर में, फुल टाइम काम कर रही हूँ। ये जगह मेरी ज़िंदगी बदल दिया है और मैं सारे बच्चे का ज़िंदगी बदलना चाहती हूँ।
Like Pooja, life gave Mehraj a second chance too, and he grabbed it with both hands, finding a sense of purpose.
जब मैं 13 साल का था तब मैं सेंट जूड में आया ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए। उसके बाद मैं एज ए टीचर काम किया सेंट जूड में, और उसके बाद अभी मुंबई आया हूँ मैं एज ए सेंटर ऑफिसर। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है इधर काम करने में बच्चे के साथ। बच्चा भी बहुत खुशी रहता है मेरे साथ। कोई बच्चा मेरे को जब देखता है वो भी सोचते हैं कि अगर दादा ठीक हो सकते हैं तो मैं भी ठीक हो जाऊँगा, तो तब मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
For Sonal from Jalgaon, Akola, life changed at the age of 9. Cancer didn't just bring pain, it brought fear, as well as distance and doubt from people who believe that girls aren't meant to fight long battles.
मैं 8 साल की थी तब मुझे ब्लड कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ था, तो सेंट जूड के बारे में पता चला और वहाँ पे जाने के बाद पूरी तरीके से मेरी तबीयत में इम्प्रूवमेंट होने लगा। सेंट जूड ने एक मुझे लाइफ तो दी है, उसके साथ साथ मुझे एक कैसे मेरा फ्यूचर भी बना दिया है। यहाँ पे मैं और लोगों को एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी दे सकती हूँ कि आपका बच्चा ठीक हो जाएगा, उसके आगे भी उसका फ्यूचर सेंट जूड बनाता है। मैं दूसरों को भी बताना चाहती हूँ और दूसरे लोगों को भी देना चाहती हूँ।
Sonal too stands tall as a center officer in St. Jude's. All these inspiring stories have unfolded under the St. Jude's roof, the biggest and the most ambitious of which is now at Kharghar.
The Kharghar Center, as you can tell, is a labor of love, and it is going to be not just housing families but in some small way saving futures. In this 12-story structure, we have 2 BMT centers, which are bone marrow transplant centers. We have a skilling center to teach our moms, our dads, vocational skill training that gives them more options for augmenting income. We have a residential facility for visiting staff, and of course a center of excellence to provide the kind of practical training St. Jude's prides itself on. So at any one given point of time, the Kharghar building will look after 234 children and their parents. So over a year, about 700 families. Over a period of 20 years, almost 14,000 families will be supported in this one building.
Healing must continue beyond treatment, and that is why St. Jude's created something unique.
So when we started, the idea was that once a St. Jude's child, always a St. Jude's child, which ensures lifelong support for our St. Jude survivors, who we lovingly call Judeans. So this support comes in various forms: emotional, career mentoring, education guidance. So we realized that just because cancer ends, healing will not. And this is a way of, walking with them into adulthood and independence.
A key focus for St. Jude's now is to help them acquire skills that can help them find jobs. And a lot of this work requires building partnerships with non-profits and other organizations which are located close to these places where Judeans are present. And a lot of work is happening at our end to make sure that these partnerships offer the kind of opportunities that the Judeans need. It's important for the kids to aspire to have a fulfilling life, have a family and find purpose in their lives.
More than 12 years ago, we had more than 25% of these pediatric cancer patients who did not complete their treatment. Now that percentage has fallen to less than 1 or 2%. And I think apart from other things that have led to this very important outcome is the fact that they get good quality accommodation while they are being treated at our hospital.
We've come a long way from the beginning. But this cannot be done alone. We need your support, your time, your resources. Every bit counts and every bit helps us move closer to making our vision a reality. So let's work together to create a world where no child has to face cancer alone. A world where every child has a safe place to call home whilst undergoing treatment.
St. Jude's is more than just a story of cancer. It's a story of courage, of purpose, of life, rebuilding itself stronger than before. When a child survives cancer, the journey is not over. It begins again with hope, because the fight to live begins with a place to live.